Parents, for today's motor skill activity, we have sent home play-doh. What you need to do is you need to prepare. You have to make these small balls, all right? Very small balls, okay? And encourage the child to take these balls in his hand and squeeze, okay? Squeeze. They can be using their whole fist to squeeze, or ideally speaking, 2 fingers and a thumb. Squeeze, okay? Right, this is just an activity. So you have at least 10 balls ready, okay, because you'll be demoing and then your child will be doing it. So minimum 10 balls. Squeeze. Okay, shoot the video and share it with me, please. Thank you. Parents, for today's motor skill activity, we have sent you this play-doh. Just make rolls like this, keep them ready, okay, and then hold the play-doh roll like this and encourage the child to break off a piece, okay, just like this. It's a simple exercise, but it's good for the pincer grasp development, like this, okay? And take another roll and encourage the child to pull a piece off and so on, okay? And once all the pieces are broken like this, okay? Say, suppose this hand is the child's hand. If you put all these pieces right here, now encourage the child to bring them together and just knead, okay? Just squeeze and knead and just bring everything together and form a clump like this, okay? Like this. These are all, play-doh is very good for the muscle development, okay? So you can create a clump, okay? So first thing, make rolls and then ask the child to pull them off and then bring them all back together like this. For today's motor skill activity, parents, you need play-doh, you need a stick or a marker, something that is sturdy and has blunt ends and is easily available in your house. Now you need to press this ball into a disc like this, roughly around this thickness. Then hold it firmly and show it to your child that you are going to make some holes in the play-doh, okay, and pull out. So the child has to go in and pull out, in and pull out, in and pull out. Okay. You can offer your child a variety of tools to do this activity. Seems easy, but a lot of force goes into going in deep and then pulling out. So a good motor skill activity. Shoot a video, parents, and share it with me. Thank you. Parents, for today's motor skill activity, we need play-doh, okay, and we need small objects. Anything that you can easily find in your home. All right. Now we're going to create a ball, and we are doing this in front of the child, okay. Now let's create a little pocket here and try to hide an object in front of your child. You're going to hide the object, cover it, okay, right? And then just let a bit of it remain visible, okay? And ask the child, where did my star go? So the child has to remove the play-doh and get the object out, all right? Now let's do it with another object, okay? So we're going to hide the flower, okay? Where did the flower go? Make sure that a bit of it is visible, okay? Like this, okay? Where's the flower? Where's the flower? Let's get the flower out. And so let the child dig and get the object out, all right? Now, when the third time you do it, you hide an object. It can be the same object or it can be different ones. And then completely hide. But you make sure that the child has seen you, covering that object with play-doh, and tell the child to take that object out. So now he has to dig. He has to dig. And there you go. Oh, yes. Right? So this is how you're going to do today's activity. Shoot a video and share it with us. Thank you, parents. So parents, for today's motor skill activity, you need play-doh and you need these straws. We have sent these home. Make a ball, right? And then rest it on a firm surface. And then show the child that they have to insert the straw into the play-doh ball as deep as they can, okay? As deep as they can, all right? Okay. like this, like this. All right, and once they are done, just hold this and tell the child to pull the straw out, like this, like this, like this, like this. All right, and then probably your child would want to insert the straws again into the play-doh, and they would like to use the same holes, so that's okay. This is also again a good eye-hand coordination exercise then. Okay. Or what we can do is, when the child has taken out the straws, just change the side, okay? And the child can start from here. Okay, parents, enjoy this activity. Shoot a video and share it with me, please. Thank you. So parents, for today's motor skill activity, you need play-doh balls. Keep them large. Okay. Then we have a stick. I have a straw. You can use a plain stick. Make sure the edges are rounded. Now we have to prepare for this activity before giving it to the child. We have to thread these play-doh balls like this. Keep a little distance between two balls. Okay. Right. So see, our stick is ready. Now the child has to be shown that he has to take the ball and slide it off the stick. Okay, in whichever way he wants to do. He will hold like this or like this, let him. The main idea is to slide the play-doh ball off the stick. Okay, so you can do counting also while you're removing the balls with your child. And then if your child is able to, then ask him to thread the ball through the hole that has been made into the play-doh ball. Or otherwise you do it for him and simply repeat the activity for as long as your child is enjoying it. Okay, so we are going to take off red balls. 1, 2, and 3. So parents, shoot the video and share it with me, please. Thank you. For today's activity, parents, you need play-doh balls. 3 play-doh balls, approximately this size, not too big, not too small. And you're going to demo to your child that they have to stack these balls one on top of each other, okay? So show it to your child that you press one ball down here on a flat, firm surface. Then you add another one and press. So now 2 balls and you add another one. So 3 play-doh balls. So hey, what did we make? We made a tower. Let's bring the tower down. 1, 2, 3. Let's create a tower again. So 1, 2, 3. And later on, when you feel that your child can easily do this, perhaps then you can reduce the size of the play-doh ball and increase the number. So it becomes more challenging. So then we can make a tower with 5 play-doh balls. So 1, 2, 3. Give a little support here when your child is attempting this activity. 4 and 5. So we've got 5 play-doh balls. Now we'll bring it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's create one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But I suggest that initially just do it with 3 big play-doh balls, right? Shoot a video and share it with me. Thank you.